my wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to create your own DIY hand soap. So if this is something that you'd want to see, please keep watching. Alright, so the ingredients are super simple. First, you will need your glass container. I got this from my trip in Baguio. It's basically a mason jar with a pump head. So I think this is not hard to find. I'm sure you can find this in True Value. I've seen this around a lot, so get one of these. And then of course, you will be needing your liquid castle soap. I get mine from Casa de Lorenzo. This is actually an unlabeled bottle kasi ito yung refill nila. Casa de Lorenzo normally has promos for their refills. It's discounted. So you can just bring your container and then get the product at 30% off. So this is their unscented cleansing liquid castle soap. For today's oils, I'll be using Zelaroma's Sweet Orange, Zelaroma's Lime, Peppermint, and Frankincense. So today's scent will be about autumn, fall, because it's November and Christmas is so near. So it's time for us to concoct different DIY projects that we can give for gift giving this December. Alright, let's start with the DIY project. First, make sure that your container is clean. I've already pre-washed this and air dried it just to make sure everything is clean. Then just pour in your liquid castle soap. Since we're already working with a glass container or a glass component, you don't have to have a separate mixing bowl for this. Normally in my workshops, if we are using a plastic container or plastic component, I would still require everyone to use a beaker, a glass beaker, or for example, a glass bowl to mix all the ingredients. But since we are using a glass container, you can already put in your liquid castle soap. What I like about Casa de Lorenzo's liquid castle soap is that it's already malabnaw. It's not as viscous as the foreign brands liquid castle soap, so you don't really have to dilute it with water. And what I like about that is that always remember your water is a source of contaminant. So when you add water in every DIY product, it shortens the shelf life of your DIY item. This is basically 500 ml. My container is about 450 ml. And at that volume, I would probably be needing about 18 to 20 drops of essential oils. So, for today, I will be putting in 6 drops of frankincense. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, 4 drops each of the remaining oils. So, that totals an 18. Okay, so 4 drops of sweet orange, 4 drops of lime. It's very easy to do. And finally, 4 drops of peppermint oil, my favorite. I think peppermint is one of the popular oils this season because it reminds us of candy canes, right? So when that is done, just put in the lid. Make sure to give it a little stir. Close the lid tightly and shake it well. So there you go. This is your homemade hand soap with no harsh ingredients, with no harsh chemicals. Very, very safe for the family. Let me just take a whiff of our blend. Smells so good. It can be a little light. You can add a little more. Since this is a wash-off product, you can use up to 2% dilution rate. It doesn't matter. And you don't even have to worry about the oils being photosensitive because, as I've said, it is a wash-off product. So if you think the scent is a little too light, You can always add a little more or double the dose of the scent. It's fine. Just make sure that the dilution rate is at 2%. So that's pretty much safe. Alright, so there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you guys learned in creating your own DIY hand soap. I'm super excited to use this. I'm super excited to put this in my soap studio so that my students will be able to use it. And I would like to invite everyone to please join my upcoming workshops this November. I'll be having my workshop with Casa de Lorenzo on November 10 and November 17. I'll be having my workshop with Gourdo's on November 11. That is a cool workshop because we will be making DIY candles. So I'm sure you will be excited for that. And then on November 30th, it's gonna be my early Christmas gathering for all my oily friends. So it's actually an oil appreciation event. And I'm inviting everyone to join me. I'll put all the details down below for all my workshop. I hope to see you guys there. And stay tuned for my next DIY video. Bye!